Hi, I'm Anna.
And I am Bob, and all our animations and body movements are AI generated.
In today's video tutorial, you gotta learn how to do the same today using just your voice, text, or even just an idea.
I'm going to show you how to do this directly from your mobile device and using software, which is absolutely free for you to use. I'm super excited to show you this, so let's get started.
This is a free web-based tool that is available on the Adobe Express group of apps, and you can open it on your computer and also on your phone. So you don't have to install any app on your phone per se, or you just have to do is go to that website. So I'm going to put a link to the website down in the description of this video, so click on that link and that should take you to the Adobe Express website, and then you can follow along with this tutorial. You can see here a lot of cartoon characters. You can change it easily, just click on this characters. Also you can see here category related cartoon characters, human, creature, food, emojis, etc. You can zoom it and zoom out. So guys, you can see here a lot of pretty cool background. You can change any background easily. Also you can customize background color. If you want to add any custom background, you can add it. You can change any size, or you can add any custom size. You can add by category size for Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. Now I want to create an animation video, so first I need to select an animation character. I think this is perfect. Now I need to select a perfect background. I think this background is perfect and pretty cool. And size also perfect for animation video. Now we need to add voice. You can add your own voice, or you can use any voiceover. My voice is so bad, so I'm gonna use voiceover for this animation. For story I use ChatGPT. And for voice generator, you can use any text-to-speech AI tool. I use 11 Labs, also you can use it. Now we need to convert this text to voice. Now we need to wait a moment. Yeah, voice generated successfully done.
Once upon a time, there was a small green frog named Freddy who lived in a peaceful pond.
Now we need to download this voice. Download successful. Now voice added done. Now we need to wait a moment. Yeah, our animation generated successful.
Once upon a time, there was a small green frog named Freddy who lived in a peaceful pond in the middle of a dense forest. Freddy loved to jump and play in the water with his fellow frog friends. He was a very curious frog, always eager to explore new places and meet new creatures.
So guys, this is pretty cool. With this process, you can make more animation video. Now just follow me and see what I do.
Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Emily who loved popcorn more than anything. Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Jake who dreamed of becoming a professional football player. He would spend hours every day practicing his skills, running drills, and watching game footage.
Also, you can download easily, just click download button. Thanks you everyone.